Have you ever wondered what happens to the carbon dioxide you exhale with every breath? Or where the carbon in the fuel that powers your car ends up? Welcome to the fascinating journey of carbon, an element that is not only integral to life on Earth, but also a key player in our planet's climate. Carbon, often referred to as the building block of life, circulates around the Earth in what scientists call the carbon cycle. This journey of carbon from the atmosphere, through the land and oceans, and back into the atmosphere, is what we will refer to as the carbon route throughout this discussion. Imagine a busy highway with carbon as the cars. These cars, or carbon molecules, start their journey in the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants on land and algae in the ocean absorb this carbon dioxide, effectively removing it from the atmosphere. The carbon then becomes part of the plant, helping it to grow. When animals eat these plants, the carbon moves up the food chain. Eventually, the carbon returns to the atmosphere when animals and plants respire, release waste, or decompose after death. But the carbon route doesn't end there. A significant amount of carbon is stored in the Earth's crust as fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. When we burn these fuels for energy, we release the stored carbon back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide, contributing to global warming. So, what did we learn today? We've discovered that carbon travels a complex route around our planet, moving from the atmosphere to plants and animals, then to fossil fuels, and back to the atmosphere. This constant movement influences both the Earth's climate and the life it supports. We've also learned that human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, disrupt the carbon route. This disruption leads to an excess of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is a significant factor in climate change. But there's hope. By understanding the carbon route, we can find ways to reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the impact of climate change. Whether it's by planting more trees to absorb carbon dioxide or reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, each of us can play a part in maintaining the balance of the carbon route. As we wrap up, remember, every breath you take, every mile you drive, sends carbon on its journey around the Earth. It's a journey that's been going on for billions of years, and one that will continue long into the future. The question is, how will we influence that journey? The answer lies in our understanding and respect for the carbon route.